Hello everyone, my name is Angela Garcia. Today I was talking about one of the famous places to visit, the Statue of the Liberty. It was a gift, a friendship from the people of France to the United States, and it was recognized as universal symbol of freedom and democracy. It was designed as a national monument in 1924. Um, it was considered a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. It's main in the image and likeness of the Colossus of Rhodes. It's one of the seven wonders of the world. Uh, when you are next to the Statue of Liberty and you can check its imposing dimensions, this monument will be much more impressive. During this pleasant walk through the gardens surrounding the monument, you can enjoy excellent panoramics, excellent views about Manhattan. In another way, when you go to the Liberty Island, where the famous statue is located, you have to take a ferry from the Battery Park station in a subway of Manhattan. To finish, you can visit different parks that are around the statue and also the pedestal along with some different places like different guides that are bilinguals to communicate in different languages. I hope that you like my presentation and enjoy and you have the opportunity to visit this beautiful monument that is the Statue of Liberty. Bye bye.